Today we'll be installing the rear disc and caliper guard. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage. Today we're installing these American-made guards onto this Kawasaki. When we're finished with this bike, it'll be ready for battle.
This lightweight, one-piece design optimizes strength and prevents bends in the rotor. This combination design allows for simple installation and added protection.
With these bulletproof guards, we're protecting our investment. This bike's now ready for the long haul, and anything we throw its way. Check out our website and social media channels to stay updated. Now we're ready for battle.